The renowned Saint Soldier Group of Institutes is rendering its available services to all needy sections of the community. The group has established Nursing Training Institute where nurses students can be educated and trained to serve medically suffering community in best possible ways. Chairman of the group Anil Chopra and Vice Chairperson Sangeeta Chopra have a belief that medical care is of no value without timely and efficient nursing care, whether in general wards or in operation theatres. Nursing covers a range of jobs which vary widely in terms of levels of functions, responsibility, professional qualification required, and the work environment. Saint Soldier Nursing Training Institute is located in pollution-free environment and sound-free zone in Khamda, and the environment is best suited for nurses students to have complete focus on their learning and training. Saint Soldier Group provides best quality education, latest training experience, equipment, comfortable hostel facilities, brilliant teaching faculty and staff in an endeavor to produce a complete blend of dignified, technically qualified, skilled, cheerful, compassionate, disciplined, responsible, and handsomely efficient nurses. The students have full facilities so far as studies and training is concerned and a cool atmosphere. Not only this, they are encouraged for extracurricular activities also. The college is running under able leadership of Principal Neeraj Sethi.
This institute was established by Saint Soldier Educational Group in the year 2006, and it was established under the able guidance of Chairman Shri Anil Chopra ji and Vice Chairperson Mrs. Sangeeta Chopra ji in the year 2006. This institute is running GNM course. This is 3 years course, and this course is running successfully from the year 2007 and is approved by Punjab government, PNRC Mohali and INC New Delhi. The institute has well maintained classrooms and all the labs such as community lab, nursing arts lab, then this nutrition lab, anatomy lab, community lab, OBG lab, pediatrics lab and aviates room. The students are getting well educated and well experienced faculty members, and these experienced faculty members are, the institute maintains a well stocked library with a good number of books, journals, magazines, reference books and good seating capacity for all the students, faculty members and staff members. For clinical training of the students, institute is affiliated to various hospitals such as Civil Hospital, Tagore Hospital, Oxford Hospital, then Innocent Heart Hospital, Man Medicity Hospital, New Ruby Hospital, Apex Hospital, and these hospitals are providing clinical training to all the students. If we talk about academics of the institute, then we have well experienced faculty for teaching, and under their guidance students achieve maximum benefit and flourish in their academics and also get 100% result. If we talk about the placement of the students, there is always 100% placement of the students in India as well as in the foreign countries such as USA, Canada, Australia, Germany and Ireland. Students are regularly encouraged to participate in various activities in the curricular activities as well as extracurricular activities. Students actively participate in activities organized by the institute from time to time, such as seminar, debates, then quiz competition, poster making competition, exhibition of posters, exhibition of models, and various role plays, various skits, and also participate in health awareness programs. Students also participate in national health programs such as polio eradication program and COVID-19 immunization and vaccination programs. And here in this institute, needy students and scholar students get scholarship from the management under Rajkamar Chopra scholarship worth ₹1 crore every year, and students get maximum benefit from this scholarship, and these students come from various sections of the community and various classes of the community. Thank you so much.
Admissions are open to the institute. Contact 0181 5093 842 and 0181 657 9652.